We were having some difficulties in meeting our contractual requirements. We were having lots of overruns on our contracts and some of our projects as well.
You want to be on time and on budget, and you don't want to have change orders. I mean, that's project, contract, task management 101.
When we asked the project managers what they needed, they said training. How can you hold someone accountable if you haven't even given them an ability to be trained? And how can they be successful if they don't have the proper skills and knowledge through training to perform their job? So the Office of Project Quality Assurance was created because we needed to do a better job from A to Z on our projects.
A lot about getting better at doing contracts is about planning.
I think a lot of it was defining good scopes and understanding scopes and holding projects to those scopes and make sure you don't have scope creep.
And what we find is that in many cases, we end up having a tremendous amount of change orders. So what we're trying to do is narrow that focus so we have the least amount of change orders so we can reduce our costs.
The idea behind it is to be able to get us to find our problems earlier than later. And if we can find our problems earlier or later, we can apply the right amount of resources to them, and it will cost a lot less. What we saw was that there are contract managers that are put into positions and they try their darndest to do the best job that they can. However, there's no consistency between one contract manager and another.
So it was sort of building a common language to kind of identify what's contract management, what's project management, how do those relate, and really get to the point where if we're talking the same language, then as an organization we can really be consistent.
So what we're trying to do here is to sort of level set and then raise the watermark of our contract management capabilities. And what this class is all about is to bring that into the forefront so that everybody across all of MDOT is working in the same type of fashion. It enables them to now be part of a community of certified professionals that are going to be able to help each other work left to right across MDOT, to share experiences, to share ideas, to share stories, and to possibly support each other in achieving the success on their own individual contracts.
I think what we're going to learn is that as we go through this process, the project managers will get better of creating a better scope of work. The procurement folks will get better at putting that procurement together so the project manager can have an easier time at evaluating the developer. And so it's really just another tool to help our project managers and our folks in the TBUs to be more effective on each of these projects. And again, reduce costs and at the end of the day, get a better project.
We wanted to find a way to deliver the best quality services to our customers.
Everybody kind of wants at the end of a contract, end of a project, to all say, hey, we did a good job and we did it right.
I think this is an accelerated success story.